Greetings folks, Jason in Tokyo here. You can kind of tell by looking around. So today I just bought this brand new Insta360 X5. I've got it sitting on the bicycle mount here to go for a little ride down the street once the traffic changes, but I figured I'd talk now quickly. I'm just using the built-in internal mic, which apparently has a wind reduction thing built into it. And this at the same time is recording a selfie video which tracks me. So if I move, you can see that moves with me. And it also is recording a simultaneous 360 video, which I guess I can edit in post, or if I put this on YouTube, you guys can maybe use your mouse and move it around, and we'll just give it a go and see what happens. So there might be two videos of this same thing. There's my mother-in-law right next to me. Camera. And yes, that is my mother-in-law, genuinely, and we're both riding home, but my bike's a lot quicker than hers because it's an e-bike and can do 50 k's an hour. Mata ato de. So let's see how this goes. Only thing is with this selfie stick, it rotates because of the weight of the camera, and it sort of starts to undo. I need to maybe have it on a different angle so that it doesn't try to undo itself. Be naughty and jump in front of this car because I can. See, it's rotating. I'll just rotate it back, but it's still tracking me. I want them to go a bit faster to see how the video goes and how the audio is as well. I think the microphone is on this side, but I'm not 100% sure. Keep rotating again because of the weight. Come on, dude, let's, traffic light's red up ahead. Maybe I can go around, now it's green now. I was going to try and go around them and get some speed so that you can see this a little bit faster. But hey, look, it's a first look. Brand new, just picked up the camera today. Totally going with factory preset settings. Haven't done anything special to it yet. But I am recording at 8K 30 frames per second. That much I did at least swipe around to. I'd be interested to see how well, because I mean, I wish you could see what I'm seeing right now, that it's moving around and wobbling like crazy. So hopefully, the tracker will actually do stabilization itself. I don't know, we'll soon see. Maybe you're not hearing a single word I'm saying because of the wind, I don't know. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.